Ang pinakamalaking diet myth na tinuro sa atin ng mga matatanda, magkaka-hyperacidity ka daw pag nalipasan ka ng gutom.
Totoo, nakakakaba pag kumukulo yung tiyan. Pero the truth, hindi dahil walang laman ng tiyan mo kaya ka palaging acidic.
It's from years of constant snacking on sugary carbs, 3-in-1 coffee, at processed foods na nagtitrigger ng acid mo.
Giving your stomach a break through fasting actually helps calm inflammation. Gusto mong mag-low carb safely without the hyperacidity? Do this.
Number 1. Drink warm water with a pinch of Himalayan salt sa umaga. It helps neutralize stomach acid fast. Number 2. Stop breaking your fast with pandesal or kanin. Sugar spikes trigger acidity. Break it with protein.
Number 3. Hunger comes in waves. Pag nagutom, inom ng tubig. After 15 minutes, mawawala din yan.
Magsisimula na mag-burn ng fat ang katawan mo. A healthier gut starts when you stop eating every 3 hours.
Kaya kung may kakilala kang takot na takot malipasan ng gutom, kailangan nilang malaman to.